Txunamy's getting Italy ready because I'm gonna be taking her to the veterinarian. She's going into surgery. She's supposed to be there the whole day.
I am extremely worried. I mean, it's a surgery. You don't know what could go wrong.
We also wanted to talk to you guys about what's been going on in the past few days. We are heartbroken. We're angry. We're sad.
Why does she have something in her head? That's normal?
She's still shaking.
She has to wear the collar for...
Look into my eyes and never let it go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Familia Diamond. So the kids are inside. Txunamy's getting Italy ready because I'm gonna be taking her to the veterinarian because she's going into surgery. In July, she's gonna be turning 12 months.
So 1 year.
So she's gonna be a year old.
Yeah.
They become adults at 1 year old. So she has to get spayed.
Yeah.
So that's why she's going into surgery.
So wish us luck. We are hoping that everything goes well with her surgery. What time do you have to pick her up?
She's supposed to be there the whole day.
Hours and hours and hours?
Yeah, the whole day.
Well, like 12 hours?
It's a surgery.
I didn't know it was going to take that long.
They have
Oh
to
my
put her to
goodness, that's gonna be
sleep
a long
and
time.
all that, yeah.
Well, let's hope that she has like a fast recovery and that everything goes well with her surgery. We'll keep you updated along the video to see how she's doing. I think they're gonna either call us or text us when they finish surgery to let us know how she's doing and how she's recovering after the surgery. So definitely keep watching to see how that goes. So we also wanted to talk to you guys about what's been going on in the past few days. We are heartbroken. We're angry. We're sad. We cannot believe what happened to George Floyd. It's honestly so devastating. I cannot imagine what their family is going through right now. So yesterday we went out, as many of you saw on our Instagram, we went out to protest, and we actually had a very peaceful protest.
Yeah, so we also took the kids because we want to teach them that they need to stand up for what's right. And what's not right, it's what's happening right now. They need to stand up to stop racism and police brutality.
So we're gonna actually go out again today. I stayed in the car with Diesel and Ranger because he's really little. They need to see that when there's injustice, they have to stand up for it. Like, we can't just ignore it and then it's gonna go away. So by us taking them, I feel like we're teaching them the right way and the right path, and they're gonna grow to know what's right and what's wrong. And this is wrong, and we need to make this stop. So we will continue to go on protest till we see a change and the racism stops.
Alright guys, so Txunamy's finishing getting Italy ready because I'm gonna take her to the veterinarian.
Hey guys, so my husband just dropped off Italy. He just got home. I guess it's gonna be a few hours like we had mentioned before. Txunamy's pretty worried. She's upstairs in her room doing some homeschool. What was that? Ranger and Diesel are outside here playing. What are you guys playing?
No, I really don't know.
What are you playing? What are you playing? Ranger, say hi to her diamonds. Oh, he's hiding from her diamonds. Look at that. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Is that what you guys are playing? Oh, okay. Ranger. Okay. Well, that looks like fun. So Lash is actually taking a nap. She was feeling kind of tired earlier, so she went to go take a nap in my room. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Passing time while we wait for Italy.
Alrighty guys, so it's been a few hours since my dad went to the veterinary and dropped off Italy, and I'm not gonna lie, I am extremely worried. I mean, it's a surgery. You don't know what could go wrong. Let's just pray that everything goes okay.
Alrighty guys, so we just got a text message from the veterinarian hospital saying that Italy is ready, that her surgery went absolutely amazing. You can stop worrying now. They have been worrying all day. It's been a long time since we dropped her off, so we're super excited to go see her and to know that her surgery went perfect. Everybody's going. Everybody's anxious to see her, so we're all heading there. We're all taking our little masks because you're scared. Don't be scared. Everything's gonna be fine. So let's go pick her up. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Thankfully, everything came out all right with Italy's surgery. Everything went well, so we are here and they're about to bring her in like 5 to 10 minutes. So we're super excited to see her. Txunamy is like super anxious. All the kids are super anxious. We're just gonna keep on waiting till they bring her in so we can finally see her. It's been an entire day without her. We miss her so much. We're like not used to not having her around, so it's super weird, but yeah. Oh, why does she have something in her head? That's normal? To have something in her head? Hi! Careful with her.
Oh, what is that? Oh my god.
They're the stitches. Okay, no, Ranger, you gotta be gentle. Hi, you missed you. Oh, she looks. Hey, what's wrong? She's shaking.
My poor baby is scared.
She's so shaking. Oh, it's okay. Oh my god. I think they're gonna give her medicine. She's just scared.
Has it going on? That's gonna ideally, yes, 24/7.
Okay, so we're heading home. We got some medicine for her in case she's in pain, and she's still shaking. I think she's really scared, but we will see you guys back at the house. Alrighty guys, so we just got out of the car. Italy's been shaking for some time now, but of course it's normal since she did just get out of surgery. The veterinarian said that she needed a lot of rest, and then they did give us painkillers. So I think we're gonna be giving her medicine later on today. She drank a bunch of water. I think she was super thirsty, and then she right away went to pee. I don't think she had drank any water because she like literally almost finished it, which is, it's like super rare. She doesn't really drink like the whole entire thing. Txunamy's over here cuddling her. Seems like she's doing better. Hi. My husband tried to touch her earlier and she literally just bit him like really bad. Yeah. I'm like scared to touch her. It's okay. It's okay. She doesn't even want to lick me or anything. At least she's not biting me. But hi. It's okay. She looks so depressed. Was that a bark?
Stomach gurgle.
Oh, it's okay. What's wrong? Yeah, that's your belly.
Yeah.
That explains a lot. We're gonna be cuddling her for the rest of the night and day and whatever time she needs. Txunamy's always with her regardless, so we just want to make sure that she's okay and that her stitches don't open up. I haven't seen her stitches that well. I know Txunamy saw them and she just wanted to cry. She just can't handle it. She's gonna be fine. She's gonna be okay. Right, Italy? Say hi. I know. Let's show her diamonds how her hair's looking. Look at that.
Look at all that hair.
That is hair growing. Txunamy's been brushing it like 2 times a day with like a special brush. So we're very excited that her hair is growing back. That's pretty much all we have for today's video. Huh, Italy? Hi, it's okay. It's okay. You're so beautiful. Yeah. Alrighty, diamonds. Well, we are about to give out our post notification shout outs. We will update you on how she's doing in our next video. We're going to be taking care of her very, very well. She is in good hands. Say bye. I love you too. She said I love me, as in myself, as in me.
Let mommy kiss you. I love you.
Alrighty guys, and our first post notification shout out goes to Alex Ciruegas. As you can see, it says, please put my goddaughter Aubrey Lean on your Familia Diamond wall. She really likes your channel and is subscribed to all of your social media except she doesn't have an Instagram. So there it is. I'm gonna be giving out post notification shout out as she is subscribed to Familia Diamond and has those post notifications on. Congratulations. Alrighty guys, and our second post notification shout out goes to Familia_Diamond_rules. She did tag us on Instagram, letting us know that she has subscribed to Familia Diamond and Txunamy on YouTube and has those post notifications on. So congratulations, you are our second post notification shout out. Alrighty, and our very last one goes to Luisio Ellen 4216. She did tag Adestaya on Instagram and at Familia Diamond, and that is how I found her. She did find the board, as you can see, it's right there on the picture. She did put the big thumbs up on the video, and she is subscribed and has those post notifications on. I did find her again because she did tag Adestaya and at Familia Diamond on Instagram. Congratulations.